is it! The fight you've all been waiting for! In the blue corner, Dwayne Rhino Reynolds. In the red corner, Adonis that gets the fight going. Is ready to begin.
Let's keep this above the belt and inside the ring. Ready? The fight starts as soon as you touch gloves. Done, Donnie. 3, 4.
Creed fires off a solid punch at his opponent.
Keep moving.
Round 2. Fight.
Keep it up, kid.
Creed refuses to take a hit. Some impressive dodging in the ring, folks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Landing hits like that.
Oh my God.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Creed!
I'm dead.